already from our statistics we have completed 3 consecutive periods. However, we have completed the center tendency, mean, mode and median also. But two types of sum left from median. That is actually our question number 4 and our question number question number 4 and 3 and 4. Sorry, question number 3. This one actually left, and question number 5. Especially these two types of sum are left actually. Question number 3 and question number 5. So we'll start with that only. So let's start with that question number 3. What is given? The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality, and the mean pocket allowance is ₹18. So mean pocket allowance has given to you. We have to find out the missing frequency. Just a minute. Let me see. I have to see the wrong one. Just a minute. Not that is. Actually left our. Okay, sorry. Extremely sorry. Actually, question number 2 and question number 3 are left. So let's start with question number 2 at first. What has given us to see? The median of the distribution given below. Actually, I have seen the first exercise. So median of the distribution given us 28.5. That is our question number 2 actually. And we have to find out the values of x and y. So let's start. What is given at first? Class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, and 50 to 60. And frequency, that is given 5, x, 20, 15, y, and 5. So we know that at first we have to find out the cumulative frequency. Classes are already continuous, so you need not to think about it. So we are finding out cumulative frequency. At first 5, then 5 plus x, then 25 plus x, then this two addition will be 40 plus x, then 40 plus x plus y, then 45 plus x plus y. So the total frequency also will come this one only, 45 plus x plus y. Now you just see the median given 28.5. Median equal to given what? 28.5. And just to see 28.5 lies in which class interval? 28.5 lies in this class interval. Correct? So this is the median class. So what we write now? Therefore median class is 20 to 30. So what is the lower limit of the median class? 20. What is CF? We have told CF mean we have to take the cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class, that is 5 plus x. What is F? That is the frequency of the median class, that is actually for 20. We know the formula to find out median. Now L plus n by 2 minus CF by F into H, that is actually median, we know. Now the class wise you know 10. So that one also will write class wise is 10 here. Because if I do the upper limit minus lower limit, it will come 10. So now we need to get the value of n by 2. So for n by 2, just to see any more data is given or not. Yes, it has given the total frequency 60. It has given in question total frequency 60. In question only it is written. So if I do n by 2, so let's find out n by 2 here. So n by 2 will be actually 60 by 2. that is 30. Okay, so putting all the values, n mean 20, n by 2 mean 30, CF is 5 plus x, as the minus sign is entering, it will be minus 5 minus x, f is 20, h equal to 10, and median, that value given 28.5. So you have made an equation. So what I have done, I think you understand, L plus n by 2 minus CF by f into h is the median. So I got the value of L, I put it n by 2. Actually I thought that n by 2 how can I get? So I have seen the question, I have seen the total frequency 60 given in question. So this is only n, you know. So by doing n by 2 I got the value of n by 2. CF already we have got from the table. Actually as the median given 28.5 and as the median is lying between this to this interval, so this class interval actually the median class. So regarding that the frequency is set and the class preceding the median class, that CF is actually the CF for this formula. So let's do the calculation. So it will be 20 plus 25 minus 6 by 2, that is equal to 28.5. So 20 will go to that side as subtraction, it will become 8.5. So what we are getting? 25 minus x, that will come actually 17, whenever we multiply 2 with this. So minus x equal to is coming minus 8. So x equal to coming 8. So we got the value of x. Now I need to get the value of y, because question is to find out the value of not only x, you have to find out the value of y also. So how to find out the value of y? So this is my first answer. So now for my second answer, what I do? Here you see already an equation I have got. What it is? Total frequency from the table we got 45 plus x plus y, and the total frequency given in question is 60. So this is my other equation. So again 45 plus x plus y equal to 60. This is according to question. So now as we know the value of x, so I can put the value here. So by solving I can get the value of, from 1 I have put the value, so I have written here from 1. So now by solving I can get the value of y. So y equal to we are getting 7. So we got the value of x also, we got the value of y also. So final answer is x equal to 8 and y equal to 7. I think you understand the process, so no hard problem is here. So like that way, whenever to find out the value of the unknown, how to find out, that process we have discussed here. And what is L, what is CF, what is F, what is H, and what is n by 2, that already I have discussed in the previous class, that is in the third video. I think we have a concept about it. Okay, so now we will do another sum left, that is actually question number 3. So that 3 I will do now. Now let's start question number 3. See what has given. Our life insurance agent found the following data for distribution of ages of 100 policyholders. Calculate the median age if policies are given only to persons having age 18 years onwards but less than 60 years. So what has told in question? The life insurance agent has distributed the policies among the 100 policyholders. So he has distributed the policies among 100 policyholders. But to make the policy, there is some certain condition. What is the condition? The policy holder must have the age 18 years and must not cross 60 years, within 18 to 60 years. Okay, now you just see the table. The table is not like other tables. Here the class intervals has not given. This table here has written below. Just I say one thing, that instead of below, some of the time it also can be written as less than. Both the tables are same and can be called as less than type frequency distribution table. So whenever it has written below, or if it has written less than, like as below 20 written, it can be written as less than 20 also. Both the thing has same meaning, but this type of table is called actually less than type frequency distribution table. After completion of this sum, once you go through the examples of median, and you will see in your NCERT book there is another sum and more than written, more than or equal to written. That is called the more than type frequency distribution table. After my discussion, you just see that table and try to understand how they have find out the median. If you cannot understand, or if you have faced any problem in the doubt clearing class, you ask me regarding that. Okay? So let's start how to do this sum. They are given age in year and they are given number of policy holders. Correct? Here given below 20, below 25, below we are not writing again and again, below 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. And number of policy holders given here 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98 and 100. Policyholders mean you should not say that this is only frequency. No, you can better understand. In the question has told, it has told total 100 policyholders are there, and here if you add, it will be more than 100. That means it is not actually frequency. This is one type of cumulative frequency as given to you, and this is the cumulative frequency for less than type frequency distribution table. Okay. As I have told at first, there are two types of frequency distribution table can be given to you. One is a less than type frequency distribution table, regarding what we are doing the work now. Another one is the more than or equal to type frequency or more than type frequency distribution table, which you can see in your NCERT book example. So this is not actually frequency, because regarding the class interval it is not given. So this is actually one type of cumulative frequency for less than type frequency distribution table. So you have to make the class intervals along with the frequencies. You have to make ready your table with that, then only you can start to find out the median. So first of all, we need to find out the class intervals from this. So how to write the class intervals, that I will show now. So we are writing now again age in year, and here we are writing class intervals. Here what is written below 20. Below 20 means we can take it as 0 to 20. Though it has told that to make the policy minimum 18 years age required, so some of you can claim to write there 18 to 20. I should say here, you are absolutely correct, there is no wrong, and you may can write that is also. But to keep the class wise same, it is better to write 0 to 20. 0 to 20 if I write, that doesn't mean that I will take those policyholders those who have in the age 5 years or 6 years. Not it is, because it has told in the certain condition is there to make the policies 18 year minimum. So if I write here 0 to 20, then also I have to come from 18 to 20 also, no problem. So we are writing the class interval as from 0 to 20 only. So 0 to 20, next one we are writing as 20 to 25, then we are writing as 25 to 30, then 30 to 35, then 35 to 40. So you can understand what are given here, the values, these values are becoming the upper limit for the class interval. This is the main point which you have to remember. For less than type frequency distribution table, which are the values given as less than or below, these are the values are becoming the upper limit of the class interval. 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and at last 55 to 60. So I got the class interval. But it is clear to you that for these, the cumulative frequencies are these are. These are the cumulative frequencies. But for this class interval, I have to find out the frequency. So here number of policyholders again. Policyholders. This is actually frequency. Now how to find out? Look here. Below 20 mean it is actually 0 to 20, because what is the meaning of 0 to 20? That means only below 20. Correct? What is the meaning of 0 to 20? That means only below 20. So what is the frequency here? 2. So here also it will be 2. But below 25 and 20 to 25 there is a difference. Below 25 means it is actually 0 to 25 total 6. Understand? Below 25 means it is actually 0 to 25. But we need to find out for 20 to 25. Below 25 means from 0 to 25 total 6 policyholders. But I need to find out 20 to 25. It means the values from 0 to 20 I have to deduct, I have to subtract. Then I will get the policyholders, those who are having the age between 20 to 25. So what I have to do? Below 25, from there, if we below 25 number of policyholders are 6, from there if I subtract below 20 how many policyholders are there, then only that they will be remain those who are belonging to 20 to 25 years age. So what I have to do? 6 minus 2, that is 4. So what I have done? 6 minus 2. For your understanding, I have written in bracket. Because below 20 means 0 to 20, there are 2 I have written. But next one to 20 to 25. Below 25 to 6. Below 25 means 0 to 25 total 6. But I need to find out 20 to 25. So 0 to 20 how many are there? If I subtract from here, then I can get the number of policyholders, those who are belonging to 20 to 25. So that is 4. Next, 25 to 30. How many policyholders are there? 24 minus 6, 18. So what the process we are applying? 6 minus 2, 4. 24 minus 6, I got 18. Now 45 minus 24, 21. Here also again we are writing the reason. 24 minus 6. I am not writing for all, and you need not write this one in the time of exam. Only for your understanding I have written in bracket. Now 78 minus 45, 33. 89 minus 78, 11. 92 minus 89, 3. 98 minus 92, 6. And 100 minus 98, 2. Okay. So we got the frequencies. This is actually the frequencies. Now for median you have to find out the cumulative frequency. And interestingly, as this is a less than the frequency distribution table, so your cumulative frequency will be same as this one only. Once you check, 2 plus 4 6, 6 plus 18 24, 24 plus 21 45. See, these are all matching. This is possible only for this less than that frequency distribution table. But for more than that frequency distribution table, it will not directly match from the top to bottom. Bottom to top it will match. Then 45 plus 33, 78. Then 89, 92, 98 and 100. So total frequency is also coming as 100. So you got the total frequency, that means you got the value of n. Now what I have to find out? To find out the median, I need to find out n by 2 now. So that means 100 by 2 is coming 50. Now 50 belongs to which of the class interval? Just to see once. N by 2 is coming 50 actually, because total 100 is here. Now this 50 belongs to which of the class interval? Not this is, because upper limit is 50. So we will take this one, because here the lower limit is 50. Because you cannot take the value equal to the upper limit, you can take the value equal to the lower limit. So equal to 50 if you want to take, you have to come to this class. So this is your median class. You can write here. Therefore, median class is 50 to 55. Now I have to write here frequency is here, cumulative frequency this one. So you can write therefore median equal to L plus N by 2 minus Cf by F into H. Okay, what is the value of L here? 50, lower limit of the median class. N by 2 already we know 50, no need to write. Cf already written, F also written. H is the class Y, that is 55 minus 50, that is 5. Now put all those values. 50 plus N by 2 is 50, CF is coming here. Cumulative frequency of the class preceding the median class, that is 92 by F. F is the frequency of the median class, 6 into H. H is the class Y, 5. Let's see anywhere any mistake is done or not. CF. Sorry, N by 2 was 50 and we have done wrong here. 50, so we have to take from CF only. Just a minute. So median class we have written wrong here. As write 50 or write after value the 50 from the CF I have to check. So median class is coming. Median class is coming 35 to 40. Sorry, written wrong class. Because N by 2 is 50. Now you have to find out from the CF just 50 or right after 50 what value is here. That is 78. So regarding 78, the class is median class, that is 35 to 40. So median class is this one. So lower limit is coming here 35. Class wise H equal to M5 is okay. Okay, CF is then frequency of the median class is this one. And cumulative frequency of the class preceding median class is this one. Correct? Okay, so now we are doing here L mean 35, N by 2 is 50, CF is 45, AP is frequency is 33 and H is 5. Actually at first whenever the 50 came, mistakenly I have taken this 50 as a median and I have chosen that one. By mistake we have done this one. If median given 50, then I will take the median plus this one. But then you have to think about it. The median is actually a central tendency, so that will occur at the middle of the table only. So that one the mistake I have done first. Okay, whatever it is, as N by 2 equal to 50 it is here. You already know how to find out the median. The previous class already we have discussed. And it has come 50. So from the cumulative frequency distribution table we have seen 50 or right after 50 whatever the value is here. As 50 is missing, so right after 50 the value is 78. So regarding that the class is the median class. So this is the median class. We have written here. So this is the lower limit of the median class. H is the class wise. So 40 minus 35 I got the value of H. So putting all the values here. Now the calculation part I think you can do. So this is your work actually. 5 into 5 25 by 33. So the calculation you complete and find out the answer correct at 2 decimal places. You just divide 25 by 33 first. Find out the answer correct to 2 decimal places and then you add 35 to get your answer. Okay. So whatever the question actually was here, the question given that to find out the median. So after that you write the final answer. Therefore median age is that much year. I think you understand this one. So whatever we have done here, after computing this, you just do from your example that mode than type frequency distribution table. Clear?